How to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. First, open or launch the Bitcoin app just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app. From there, go to the bottom menu of the app, where there are a number of sections. From them, make sure you tap on this option with the bank symbol. This will take you to the Money section of Cash App. On this page, you will see many options that are related to money. From them, scroll down and come to this section named Explore. Under the section, there are other options. From those options, make sure you tap on the option named Bitcoin. On this page, you will see many sections that have options that are related to Bitcoin, such as the current Bitcoin price, among many other options. Also, on this page, when you scroll down, you will see a section named Ways to Use Bitcoin. Under the section, there is an option named Deposit Bitcoin. Under it, there is another option named Get Your Bitcoin Address. Make sure you tap on it. After that, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen. The menu has different options. From them, make sure you tap on the one named Bitcoin Address. The address then gets copied. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is, how to look up a Bitcoin address on Cash App.